In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Jotform to ChatGPT. By the end, you'll have Jotform hooked up so you can streamline form data right inside your ChatGPT experience. Let's walk through it clearly and at a comfortable pace. Start inside ChatGPT and look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile area there. Click your profile to open the menu. From that menu, click Settings. This takes you to the main configuration area where all your connections and preferences live, so it's the right place to manage integrations. Inside Settings, find and select Apps. This is where ChatGPT keeps the list of services you can connect. You'll notice an option that says Explore Apps, or in some layouts it may say Add More. Click that to open the app directory. The directory can be a long list, so using search is the fastest way to get where you need. At the top of the directory, you'll see a search field. Click into the search field and type Jotform. Give it a moment to load the result. When you see Jotform appear, select it to open its details page, then click Connect. That button begins the linking process between your ChatGPT account and your Jotform account. From here, simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the connection. The exact prompts can vary, but typically you'll be asked to authorize access so ChatGPT can read or act on your Jotform data as needed. If you're not already signed into Jotform, you may be prompted to log in there first. Carefully review the permission screen so you understand what's being shared, then confirm to continue. If there are any additional options, such as choosing a workspace or confirming specific permissions, make your selections and proceed. Once the authorization finishes, you'll be brought back to ChatGPT and the connection will be active. That's it. You've connected Jotform to ChatGPT. From now on, when you use features that rely on the Jotform app, ChatGPT will be able to access the forms and data you've approved, saving you time and reducing manual copy-paste. If the Connect button is temporarily unavailable or the directory looks different, don't worry. Layouts can change over time. Just remember the flow: Profile, Settings, Apps, Explore Apps, or Add More, search Jotform, click Connect, and follow the prompts. You're all set to make your forms work smarter alongside ChatGPT.